In this video, I'm going to show you the best scalping trading strategy for 2023 that is based on a free buy-sell indicator on TradingView. This strategy has been working out really well. Nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for informational purposes only. Let's do this. This is what your chart's going to look like when it's set. And for this strategy, we're going to be using 3 of the best free TradingView indicators in this trading strategy. It works with stocks, forex, and crypto, and I'll show you examples of all of those. All right. So now let's get them added. So once your chart's ready, it's going to look like what it was before. This is what it's going to look like when you first log into TradingView. The 3 indicators that we're going to add. The first indicator we're going to add is called the SSL hybrid. All right, this one right here by Michael00. The second indicator we're going to add is called the QQE mod, also by Michael00. And the third indicator we're going to add is the exponential moving average. All right, moving average exponential, the EMA. I'm going to click on all of those. Now, next, I'm going to show you the settings we need to change to maximize the accuracy of these buy-sell indicators. But first, today's video is sponsored by TraderEdge, the backtesting app I personally use. You guys have seen me using it in a bunch of my other videos where I backtest strategies 100 times. It is super easy to use and saves a ton of time when backtesting different trading strategies. It automatically shows you the important metrics that you need to know, such as profit factor, as well as average winning and losing trades. You can also save all of your backtesting data in TraderEdge, so you can continue where you left off by adding to any backtest. The other feature that I love is the P&L calendar and trade journal. You can keep track of all of your trading days with notes, so you can easily identify what's working and what's not. Trader's Edge is by far the best backtesting app out there, and that's why I personally use it. I've got a link to it in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And yeah, you can sign up for free. Now let's get back to today's strategy. All right, so here are the changes that we're going to make. First, we're going to go into the EMA, click right here on the settings. We're going to change the length in inputs. We're going to change the length to 200. And then in style, I'm going to change this color to yellow and make it a little bit thicker so it's a little bit easier to see. Okay, click OK. So EMA is set. Next, we're going to make some changes into the SSL hybrid. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to uncheck candle size. Next, the exit arrows, the up and down, I'm going to turn those into yellow as well, so they're a little bit easier to see. All right, you see how much easier to see now, right? And then we're going to scroll down a little bit, and we're going to uncheck the ATRs. Click OK. We're not making any changes to the QQE mod. We are all set to go. Now, let's go over the rules for the long strategy. Okay, let me open up a text chat right here, text box, so you guys can see what I mean while we are looking at this. Long trade rules. Number 1, price action above 200 EMA. So we're only looking for buy positions when the price action is above this 200 EMA, okay? Next, get a up arrow from SSL hybrid indicator, okay? Like this right here. Rule number 2, you've got this and you've got this. This is a trade I wouldn't take. This is a trade I would take. And that is going to be rule number 3. All right, QQE mod shows blue bar. Okay, simple as that. You see right here, it's red. I'm not taking that trade. I'm not taking this trade again either. You see that? Okay. And I'm using this on Apple, but it also works with crypto and forex and stuff. But so again, you see there's this one comes in, we would not take this trade. Down arrow, we would not go short here because these things are blue. Here's an arrow. Price action is above the yellow line, the 200 EMA. You've got a blue line right here. You've got an up arrow, and you've got a blue bar down here for the QQE mod. So this will be your trigger candle. This will be your entry candle. You want that candle to close to make sure that this signal sticks. Because if it goes in the opposite direction during that time, this arrow wouldn't show, would disappear. It doesn't mean it's repainting, but it stays once the price action has completed for that particular candle. So you need to always make sure that that candle closes. Okay. So on here, this is where the entry would be. For take profit and stop loss on this, you can use whatever rules that you guys like to use. I use this particular strategy to sell a lot of options, all right? Like option spreads like calls and puts and stuff. So with that, since I'm banking on time decay to make my profits, I don't really use a take profit level and stop loss on that. I'm going to do my money management strategies for selling option spreads, okay? So for instance, so this would be a win. Now, let's go and let me show you what, the strategy would be for shorts to make money and profit when the market's going down, and how to look for entry and exits for that kind of stuff, right? For short trades when you're trying to make money that way. But hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, if you think you're getting value from this, do me a favor, please take a moment and hit that like button and type boom in the comments below. It really helps out the channel, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more of my future videos. Now let's take a look at a short example. So now when we're looking for short trades, right, our rules are going to be the exact opposite. So short trade rules. Price action below the 200 EMA. Right? And get a down arrow from SSL hybrid. And your third rule will be the QQE mod. All right. So you see a bunch of down arrows over here and stuff like that, right? So let's see, pop quiz, right? Which ones out of these is a good trade? This one. Let's figure out why. Here, the price action is below the 200 EMA. You've got a red bar right here, and this line looks to be red as well. But guess what? We're not getting into that trade because the QQE mod is still blue. It's not red, right? We're not getting in over here again because we're still above. We're blue. This is blue. Why are we going to do a short trade right here? Again, this right here, perfect example. Price action is below the 200 EMA. You've got a down arrow, so that's your trigger candle. This would be your entry candle. And this is red. This is red, right? So this, of course, turns red once this candle opens, and this one would have closed red. So this would be a perfect entry candle, and you see what happens right here. And you're going to see examples of this in a lot of different settings. So let's, I showed you guys examples with the stocks. Now let me show you a Forex example and a crypto example. Here's a great example on the Euro USD, right? On the 5-minute chart, right? You get an up arrow. Nope, not going to do it. Price action below the 200 EMA. You get a down arrow. The QQE mod is red. Boom. Make some profit right there. Then again, what happens right here? Down arrow, price action below the 200 EMA. QQE mod is red. Trigger candle, entry candle, boom, you take it down, right? And then, of course, there will be some fluctuations and stuff like that. So not every trade's going to win, but you see how super solid that is. Now let's take a look real quick at a crypto example. Here's a live market view right now of the price action that's happening on Bitcoin US dollar. All right. So as we see this, nope, I'm not going to take that down trade because guess what? Everything is blue. Price action's above the 200 EMA. So we're only looking for buy opportunities. You get an arrow right there. QQE mod is blue. Boom. shoots up, right? And then again, you get this, goes up on the next candle. Now it's just kind of stagnant. But you see how this would have been an awesome trade just today on the 5-minute chart on Bitcoin USD, right? So again, if you guys haven't already, please hit that like button and type boom in the comments below if you're enjoying this video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any more winning trading strategies that can help you become a more profitable trader. The indicators in this video that I'm showing you guys are completely free. They're all free on TradingView. They're completely free buy sell indicators. But if you're looking for an amazing premium indicator, I personally use Lux Algo Premium for my trading, and I highly recommend it to anyone who wants more success in the markets. I've got a link to that in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you want to see the trades that I'm making, like this trade I recently posted that got a 54% return, check out my free Telegram channel and join my all access Patreon. Links to those are in the description below as well. Now check out this next video where I show you another awesome scalping trading strategy. I'll see you on the next one.